Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a walking route on Google Maps. Friends, if you are new to some location and want to go some nearby place by walking, then you can use Google Maps. So first we need to open the Google Maps app. Now here we need to enter the destination. Now click on directions. Now it is showing 6 minutes by driving car. So here we will select by walking. Now it is showing two routes. On the first route it is suggesting it will take 16 minutes, and on the other route it is suggesting it will take around 19 minutes. So you can select any of the route. So friends, like this you can very easily make a walking route on Google Maps. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.